Welcome back to this video. If you use Brave browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the new features that has been released with Chromium 135 update in Brave browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do is to head over to my Brave browser right here. So what we want to do is to click on host that. And this is going to pump up. Next thing we need to do is to go to app info. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down and we'll make sure we go to app detail. Click on app detail right here. And it's going to take us right here. The next thing we want to do, so right here, latest update, March 11, 2025. What we want to do is to simply click on here to check on the latest update right here. So the current updates are here. In this release, we made improvement to our notification permission prompt, localization improvement for the Serbian language, and then they had more languages right here, and then some general stability and improvement, and upgraded to Chromium 135, which is amazing. This Chromium 134 make it easy for your Brave browser to be more faster and speed up in browsing experience. And for you to get the latest updates, all this information, what you need to do is to simply click on back, and then we have to simply click on updates right here. So click on updates. Then allow every update to run completely. Once it runs completely, then you can launch your Brave browser. And from there, you start enjoy all the new amazing feature that has been released by Brave browser. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Brave browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.